Welcome back to the channel, guys. Another episode of Pro VM where an amateur comes and challenges me, and if they beat me, they will win either a ball of their choice from Storm Products or a free lesson. So we have here youth player right here in Las Vegas.
What's up, guys?
Sean. Sean, thanks for coming on the channel.
Of course, man.
You want to say a couple things about yourself to the people?
I'm Sean. I am 17 or 18 years old now. I've been bowling for around 6 years, 7 years. It's not supposed to be a 6-7 joke. I appreciate Darren having me on, and let's do this.
All right. If you win, are you going to pick the ball or are you going to pick the lesson?
Probably a lesson.
Okay. He does have a handicap for me to try to level the playing field. But what do you average in the league right now?
About 160-ish.
What is the handicap you have for me?
I want you to bowl left-handed.
Okay, so I'm gonna bowl left-handed. I only have one ball that I can use left-handed, and it's my spare ball, and it's a special one. I've got the Striking Out Breast Cancer spare ball. If you guys want one, I believe they still have them on the website, strikingoutbreastcancer.com, I think. I don't know for sure. I'll try to get it in the link down below for you guys if you guys want to purchase one. It's for a good cause. Let's get this match started. Would you like to go first or second?
I'm a lead-off puppet.
All right, you're gonna put the pressure on me. Good luck. Poppin'. All right, Sean, where are you originally from? Were you born here or?
Hawaii.
Hawaii.
I was born in Hawaii.
What island?
Oahu, Hawaii. Born and raised there. Moved up here in 2017 for school.
Okay. My girlfriend's from Hawaii.
Oh, really?
Wait, where'd you go to high school?
I do online school.
Okay. More time for bowling.
Exactly.
I suppose I could bowl two-handed lefty, but. Oh, hook a little bit. Hook a lot. I don't know what I'm going to need to win this match, but I'm kind of hoping to just hit the head pin every time. I haven't bowled left-handed in a little bit. The tape is on the wrong side of my hand. Oh, am I making excuses already? Absolutely. Brooklyn! Oh, I'm nasty.
This dude.
I'm nasty. All right, Sean, let's see it. Let us see it. I feel like you're hustling me. You were warming up, and his warm-up game, he bowled the whole game, he shot 87. Which I feel like you're missing on purpose just to get my hopes up. Wheel. So far, so clean. All right, Sean, what are your bowling aspirations? What do you want to achieve in bowling?
I'm actually trying to go in your direction and become a PBA pro.
Yeah, all right. We love that. All right, frame number 2. My thumb is gonna hurt after this. All right, guys, so I'm about to get started with my block today, and I just wanted to thank today's sponsor, Momentous. So Momentous is a company that makes creatine that's supposed to help you with your muscle performance and cognitive function. Two things that are very important when you bowl. I go to the gym, I try to keep myself in shape so that I can be in tip-top shape on the lanes. Momentous has these creatine chews, 1 gram per chew. It's quick, it's easy, I can take it to the gym, pop one of these in. They're supposed to help with muscle development, retaining that muscle. Why is muscle important for bowling? You know, we bowl a lot of games on tour. You gotta be strong, you gotta have stamina. You wanna get out there and compete at the highest level for as long as possible. Momentous took the longer, harder road. It took years of testing and refusing to compromise. The result? Introducing Momentous Creatine Chews, the first chewable creatine that lives up to the Momentous standard. Each chew delivers a guaranteed 1 gram of Pure creatine, the gold standard creatine monohydrate, and is NSF certified for sport, just like bowling. This chewable creatine is done the right way, clinically proven, intentionally minimal, and made for those putting their mind and muscles to the test daily in pursuit of performance. These creatine bites, you could use them anywhere. Unlike the powder, where you gotta scoop it into your shaker, you gotta get it ready to go, drink it. This is super easy. You pop one in, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 5. Yeah, I really enjoy these, taking them before the gym, getting out there, getting a good pump in, getting strong, building muscle, so I can get out on the lanes and get ready to dominate the PBA Tour season. Thank you so much, Momentous, for sponsoring this video. Use my code down below, TANG, TANG, or the link for 35% off. Let's get stronger together. Sean, I think you're in trouble. I think you picked a bad handicap. If we ever bowl league again, I'm bowling left-handed. All right, we've accomplished the goal of hitting the one in the front every time so far. Hey, there we go. You said 160?
Yes. I shoot 160.
I feel like you're lying to me.
No, I'm not.
If we go at this pace, you're bowling 190. I don't know if I have 190 left-handed. Because the second I leave a spare, that's a problem. Oh my God, I cranked on that one.
Hook.
That's a problem. Hey, matchy. Korea Bros. That little Simo cameo.
You got him, Darren.
You're too nice. People from Hawaii.
I support everyone when I bowl, man.
I love that. All right, now we got a match. It's close.
Now we got a match.
We got a match. So far, the first shots, I feel pretty good. Oh yeah, it's always one of your own, man. They took Jokic out. Spencer Jones. Oh, that one's got life. I thought it did. I'm sorry. That's on me. That's on me. Hello? I'm currently shooting a video. I'm bowling against a junior bowler. Yeah. Whoa. One of the locals here in Vegas. What? He just threw the cutter at the washout. Picked it up. I'll call you back after the video. Okay. All right. Bye. That was Mike Jazz now. That was I don't know if you guys heard what he said. It was kind of funny. All right. I got a 5-pin lead in the third frame. Oh no, that's gotta go. That's a problem. That is a problem. I'm gonna hook it.
You're hooking at it?
Because if I throw it straight, I don't know where it's going. Hook a lot. My hand already hurts after 4 shots. Well, I was feeling good. I started with a double. I'm too far right? I'm bowling on the house shot. I started with a double. What do you want? I wrapped a 10 and then I pulled it. Leave me alone. Oh my God, I'm getting wrecked. Shot. Good shot. Good shot. Shot. You want me to move left? Yeah, if I was where I was, I think that would have been fine. Also, why would you want to use your thumb? This feels terrible. So we got some of our junior players over there, and he's trying to ball rip me. He's a lefty. Jan's also over there laughing at me. Fuck! Oh, every straight shot's been a love gutter.
No.
All right, I'm locking in right now. What are we at? We got 70. We're down 20. Hunter, you're griefing me.
Okay, here it goes.
Well, all the pressure's in the right spot. Oh my goodness, if he throws a double here, I think I'm done. 160. 160. You already beat your last game. He beat his last game in the 5th frame. He was hustling me.
Man.
You know what? No. We don't need the off-brand promo. Come on now. I'm also throwing a plastic ball.
Hook.
That would have picked up every spare I've left so far. Okay, too far right, too far right. This might be a better strat though. Leave the pins in the front so I can pick them up on the second try.
Yeah.
All right, there's a glimmer of hope. If I get them all, I can shoot 200.
You got a chance, Darren. I'm not good at picking these up, man.
That's what I want to hear. Oh my goodness. There's the glimmer of hope I needed. Okay, I mark right here. We're picking up pins. I open again, I'm down 30. Brooklyn! Why did that hook? Why did that hook and the last one not hook? I've got a very low understanding of the game at the moment. My thumb hurts. Why would anybody want to bowl with their thumb in the ball? I don't understand that. Yeah, everybody should bowl with their thumb in the ball because it makes your thumb hurt. I almost tripped. Hook a lot. I got the one in the back. This is looking bad. I think you picked a good handicap. Put my words in my mouth. This is a problem. Down 37, 3 to play. If you spare out, fill 20 every frame, you win. I'm in danger. He's just laughing at me every time he strikes. He's just a menace.
What a menace.
He's a menace. I need more surface on my spare ball. That's not great. Is this even entertaining? Yeah, I know it's entertaining to you. You just like to laugh at people's misery. I say there's no way. Thank you, thank you. See, I got one of the juniors that supports me.
I got one of the juniors.
Yeah, the rest of you suck. I got life. That's all that matters. I got life.
Oh, that's
I've got a lot of life.
That's gutter.
I gotta make some things happen here, but I got life. We gotta make some things happen here. I can win. I can win. Oh, that might be a spare. Woo! All right, thanks for making it exciting. All right, so I need to get them all and I need him to open once. Mikey would be so disappointed in me right now.
Uh-oh. Oh,
no! Good game. How does it end like that? That was so good. It's technically not over yet.
Heck a lot.
Oh my. This is technically not over yet, but. The dagger. 160. Well, I mean, I guess it was pretty close to 160. He wasn't lying. I just suck. Well, that's a free lesson for Sean here. Thanks for playing. Yeah, I'll throw one two-handed.
Is it overseas Rockstar?
I think so. Hero! Hero! Oh. Wheel! All right, 175, Sean. There you go. All right, well, there's no reason for me to finish because he absolutely ran me over. But congratulations, Sean. Thank you for coming on the channel. You've won a free lesson. So I don't know when you can redeem that because I don't know when I'm going to be free for a lesson. But when I am, you come find me. And I'll hook you up. We'll work on some stuff. We'll help you achieve your goals to becoming a professional bowler. But yeah, if you guys want to challenge me, once in a blue moon moment. But I suppose you know what handicap to give me. So Sean played well. He also picked a good handicap. So thanks again for coming. Please like the video for Sean. He bowled really good. Subscribe to the channel as well. Yeah, with that, you got anything else you want to say, champ?
Just thank you for having me on. This has been a dream of mine for a while now, to bowl with you and a lot of other pros. So I just thank you.
Sweet, appreciate it, man. Yeah, stepping stones on to bigger and better things. So thanks again, and see you guys next time.